guys, welcome back to another video. Come on in, have a seat, relax, and enjoy. You look absolutely lovely. Today I'm going to be showing you how to earn a little bit more money in your spare time. Today I have 4 side hustle ideas for you guys, and we're going to bump it down the list. I could vouch for every single one of these because I have actually done every single one of these in my spare time. So the first one obviously is DoorDash. I've posted a ton of videos showing how much I make, which hours I go, and the tips and tricks you could use to be successful on DoorDash. I've made upwards of $40 an hour on DoorDash, so I could actually vouch for the fact that it actually works. And the best part is you could check out at the end of your shift. So say you need money that exact same day, you could go for a couple of hours, make $40, $50, $60, and check out at the end of the day and have that money in your bank account within 5 minutes of checking out. So absolutely amazing. If you haven't tried it out, definitely check it out. The thing you'll need for DoorDash is a mobile device with service, so you could actually drive the route, and then you'll need a source of transportation. A lot of people think it has to be a car. It really doesn't. You could do it with a bike, you could do it with a jump scooter. Just don't drop the people's food. And honestly, it is a bit tougher to do it on a jump bike or a scooter when you are taking drinks. So the best option would be a car, but if you don't have a car, it really doesn't matter. Now, what is the second side hustle? I have it on the paper here because short-term memory loss. I don't have memory loss, but short-term memory is terrible. Now, number 2 is reselling. This is a bit more complicated, but once you get good at it, it makes amazing passive income. So it's known as reselling or flipping. And essentially what you do is you go on your local website. You could go on OfferUp, you could go on WhatsApp. You could go on OfferUp, you could go on Facebook, you could go on Craigslist. You could even go on a website like Amazon and eBay, but that's a bit more difficult to work with because of shipping. But when you go on OfferUp, you look for really cheap items all the time. And there are people constantly posting cheap items just to get rid of them. They don't want to get their money back. They just want to get them out of their house. Now, what you do is go find the item, go find what that item is worth elsewhere, or how much competitors are selling it for. If there's a nice margin, say above 25% of profit you could make on it, go ahead, buy that item, keep it in your house, post it on OfferUp, Amazon, eBay, whatever, and then mark it down 5% below what the competitors are selling it for, so you could sell it much quicker. That way you could be earning passive income. All you have to do is bring it in and ship it out, and you'll be making upwards of $50, $100 for about 30 minutes of work. So really nice little thing. An example of this is recently I went on OfferUp. An IKEA desk was for like $5. Ordinarily it sells for $90, which is a nice chunk of money. I went ahead, picked it up, and I posted it for $50, so 10 times my initial investment, and hopefully it sells. I'm getting a lot of views. I haven't gotten any messages. I'm going to be completely straightforward with you guys, but they do sell really quickly. So side hustle number 2 is reselling or flipping. A passive way, but more of an entrepreneurial spirit is required for DoorDash because you do need initial investments and it's not immediate satisfaction all the time. Now, what's idea number 3? Idea number 3 is YouTube. And for me, it's YouTube about side hustle, so it really fits into my business model really well. I'm all about side hustling. I'm all about getting money from multiple different avenues, multiple different areas, so I'm not consistently relying on one area where I have to be like, please come on, money, come in. If you don't come in, I'll be starving. Like, I have multiple different areas where money is coming from. And for me, as I said, side hustling is my niche on here. I could talk about my side hustles. I could continuously do DoorDash videos. I could continuously do videos on the items that are reselling, how much I'm buying for, how much I'm paying for, and even like gaming. People come here partially for the personality, partially for the content. So if you can get an amazing niche on YouTube, you will start earning money. And YouTube is one of the hardest platforms to launch off on. But once you start growing, it only goes upward from there. You never take a big hit unless you're like a 15 seconds of fame type of a person where you do something extremely crazy. People come to your channel and then leave. That's the only way you will lose a lot of subscribers. But Other than that, if you grow slowly, you will only continue to grow from there. YouTube is a bit tough because most people don't feel like they have the personality, or most people fear the judgment on YouTube. And honestly, there is a bit of that, but the benefit far outweighs the cost. In my opinion, I believe that YouTube is worth it. And even when you're not essentially making a lot of money on it, it's really fun to do and really fun to connect with my audience. And then finally, I have my regular job. I have a college degree and I am doing a part-time job. I'm also continuously looking for other jobs that are more beneficial for my situation, but I am currently doing a 20-hour work shift, which is half time. So I don't really consider it a job. I consider it more of a hustle. And I work 4 hours a day, 5 days a week. So that works out really well for me. It's amazing for my side hustles. And essentially, I'm so free most of the time. When I need to sell something, I could just deal with a person within an hour usually, and then be on my way. When I'm feeling like I want to go out with friends to eat and I don't have more than my weekly budget, I could run to Dash, make a little bit of money on that. So absolutely amazing ways to earn a little bit of side money for you guys. Money will always be coming in. It won't be a problem. And you can always grow more and more. And I feel like it teaches you so much about being an entrepreneur, dealing with people on a day-to-day basis when it comes to business models. And yeah, here you go, guys. 4 different side hustle ideas. Check them out. Tell me how they work for you. Give me some ideas that I don't know about. Maybe there are some ideas like, I don't know, graphic design where people go on Fiverr. I have done Fiverr. Haven't been particularly successful on there, so I didn't really include that in this video. But hope you guys are having an amazing day, and I will see you guys in my next video.